351. The hypoglossal nerve provides? Answer: B. Motor innervation to all of the muscles of the tongue, both intrinsic and extrinsic. 352. All the following nerves are related to the mandible except? Answer: C. Chorda tympani. 353. Which of the following is / fan shaped? Answer: C. Both of the above. 354. Maxillary nerve innervates all of the following except? Answer: D. Temporomandibular joint. 355. Which of the following structures is not found in parotid gland? Answer: D. Buccal branch of mandibular nerve. 356. Which muscles make up the pterygomandibular raphe? Answer: C. Buccinator anterior and superior constrictor. 357. Carotid sheath contains all except? Answer: D. External carotid artery. 358. Palsy of the right genioglossus causes? Answer: A. Deviation of tongue to right. 359. When a patient is asked to say ah if the uvula is drawn upwards to the left, the cranial nerve likely to be damaged is? Answer: B. RT accessory. 360. The following ligaments are present in temporomandibulai joint except? Answer: D. Alar ligament. 361. Structures passing through foramen spinatum is? Answer: B. Middle meningeal artery. 362. Structure which course through abdomen is? Answer: B. Vagus nerve. 363. Mandibular nerve supplies? Answer: A. Anterior belly of digastric, mylohyoid, tensor tympani, tensor pallidi. 364. Sensory nerve fibers to posterior 1/3 of the tongue is supplied by? Answer: B9 cranial nerve. 365. Joint between two bony surfaces linked by cartilage in the plane of body is called? Answer: C. synchondrosis. 366. What is not true of facial artery? Answer: B. is a branch of internal carotid artery. 367. All of the following statements regarding pharynx are correct except? Answer: D. The afferent limb of the gag reflex is 10th cranial nerve, the efferent limb is 9 cranial nerve. 368. All are sensory to the palate except? Answer: D. Hypoglossal nerve. 369. Sensory supply to soft palate is by all except? Answer: C. Vagus nerve. 370. The secretomotor supply of the parotid gland is through? Answer: aortic ganglion. 371. Upper and lower lips are formed from which embryonic processes? Answer: C. Maxillary, mandibular, lateral nasal and median nasal. 372. Sensory supply of pinna is by nerve? Answer: A. Mandibular. 373. All of the following are secretomotor to submandibular gland except? Answer: C. Mylohyoid nerve. 374. The optic nerve terminates in the? Answer: C. Medulla oblongata. 375. The fusion of two bony structures with a ligament is known as? Answer: D. syndesmosis. 376. The following statements concerning chorda tympani nerve are true except that it? Answer: D. Contains postganglionic parasympathetic fibers. 377. Facial nerve supply all except? Answer: D. Parotid gland. 378. Mental spines provide attachment to? Answer: A. Genioglossus. 379. Larynx extends from? Answer: D. C3 C6. 380. Mandibular anterior division nerve has? Answer: A1 sensory and all motor branches. 381. All of the following muscles are supplied by accessory nerve except? Answer: B. Stylopharyngeus. 382. Floor of mouth is made by which muscle? Answer: C. Mylohyoid. 383. Middle meningeal artery is direct branch of? Answer: B. Internal maxillary artery. 384. Posterior communicating artery is a branch of? Answer: C. Internal carotid artery. 385. Muscle that attaches to zygomatic process of maxilla? Answer: A. Masseter. 386. Anterior two-third of tongue arises from? Answer: D. B and C. 387. Anterior spinal artery is a branch of? Answer: C. Vertebral artery. 388. Sella turcica lies above? Answer: D. Sphenoidal sinus. 389. The nerve that is related to pyriform recess in pharynx? Answer: C. Internal laryngeal. 390. CSF is partly absorbed by lymphatics around cranial nerves? Answer: A. I2, 7, 8. 391. The stability of the vertebral column is due to? Answer: D. All. 392. Circumvallate papillae are present? Answer: B. Front of sulcus terminalis. 393. Which cells are not present in cerebral cortex? Answer: A. Purkinje. 394. Pterygomandibular ganglion is functionally connected to? Answer: A. Facial nerve. 395. The primordia of the craniofacial complex develops? Answer: A. Henson's node. 396. Which muscle divides the neck into anterior and posterior triangles? Answer: A. Sternomastoid. 397. Lacrimal gland is supplied by which of the following ganglion? Answer: C. Sphenopalatine ganglion. 398. Which of the following statements regarding middle constrictor muscle is wrong? Answer: D. is a derivative of the second pharyngeal arch. 399. External maxillary artery is a branch of? Answer: B. External carotid artery. 400. All of the following muscles are attached to oblique line of thyroid cartilage except? Answer: A. Superior constrictor.